Aligning with global sustainability trends, Made in Taiwan is leading a new wave of green and functional innovation. We extend professional hand tools into innovative applications featuring ergonomic designs, lightweight structures, and recyclable materials, balancing high-performance safety protection with environmental sustainability. We invite you to experience our state-of-the-art manufacturing craftsmanship and join hands to pioneer a blue ocean market for cross-industry modern living.